Dr. Len Wade, a rural physician from Vulcan, Alberta, is acknowledged as an outstanding family medicine mentor and leader. After completing his medical degree at the University of Calgary, Dr. Wade received his certification in family medicine in 1987. In addition to managing a busy rural family practice, Dr. Wade serves as Chief of Staff at the Vulcan Community Health Center and was Medical Director of the Vulcan and District EMS Services for over 20 years.
Très tôt, il s'est impliqué dans le Primary Care Network, un réseau local de soins de première ligne où il aide à promouvoir la médecine préventive, l'accès accru aux soins pour les patients et une meilleure coordination des soins dispensés dans toute la province. En sa qualité de mentor auprès des étudiants en médecine et des résidents, il démontre qu'on doit donner la priorité aux soins des patients. Il n'hésite pas à aider les patients ayant des besoins particuliers et à faire des visites au domicile de ceux qui sont alités ou trop faibles pour se déplacer.
Dr. Wade participates in several medical committees, including the Vulcan and County Recruitment and Retention Committee. He is also the Vulcan representative for the Medical Advisory Committee for the Department of Rural Medicine at Alberta Health Services. Dr. Wade is a vocal proponent for healthy living. He recently joined a humanitarian organization in Kenya. He travels there each fall to provide healthcare in remote, underserviced community clinics. Dr. Wade enjoys spending time with his wife Barbara and their 3 children, Katie, Brendan, and David. He keeps fit through biking, skiing, and mountaineering.
Rural family medicine has allowed me to build long-lasting, solid relationships with my patients and their families. I have had the privilege of working with a wide variety of health professionals, medical conditions that have expanded my passion for family medicine. I can't imagine practicing any other type of medicine.
Dr. Leonard Wade, Canada's Family Physician of the Year for Alberta.